Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete and clear history on X step by step on your phone. If you're new to X, previously known as Twitter, knowing how to clear your history is very important. So in this tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to delete and clear history. First, open the X app on your device and log in into your account. Once logged in, tap on the search icon at the bottom screen. You will see all previous searches. You can manually delete them one after the other by long pressing on the search, then selecting delete. Or you can clear all at once by tapping on the clear all icon at the top. Once you're done, go to your profile tapping on the profile icon at the top left. Scroll down and select settings and privacy. Click on privacy and safety. Scroll down to data sharing and personalization. Tap on location information and make sure you turn off personalization based on places you've been and personalization based on precise location. Your location information won't be collected and stored by X, and that is how to delete and clear history on X. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.